and gentlemen, girls and boys, welcome to Globe of Death USA. What you are about to see are the professional riders in some of the best competitions in the world. Are you guys ready for some Globe of Death USA? Please welcome our first rider from Colombia, South America. Let's make some noise for Andres Puerta.
Hey, what's up, sliders and gliders? Hey, man, we on the ground again today. We're in Houston, Texas, where it's bright and sunny, about 70 degrees. And later on, it's gonna drop down to the 80s. Hey man, I complain how bipolar Houston weather is, but man, when it's good, it's good. As you can see, I have my son with me here again today. We gonna slide down to the Harley Davidson dealership. Stunt riders there, gonna be doing stunts on their bikes. And they're gonna have the iron cage of death, guys rolling in that big ball. And my son has never seen it before, so I brought him with me so he can get that experience, so he can see what it looks like. So we sliding, baby. And hey, it's always a good day when I can bond with my son. You know, he's 15 years old. My two oldest sons, you know, I tried to hang with them as much as I could, go to all of their sporting events. And man, they grew up fast, man, I'm gonna tell you. And hey, once they get grown, they don't have time for you. So I'm gonna try to spend as much time with this young one here. Spend as much time with him as I can. Cause I know once he get heavy in the girls, it's all over with for dad. So hey man, come on, slide with me. Let's go check out the festivities at Harley Davidson. Should be a good video. Hey man, did I say it was a beautiful day? It's worth saying again. Let's see where we can go in at here. Look, they practicing now, baby. So we're here, and the stunt guys are practicing, I think. We had Mancuso, Harley Davidson. And I think we're a little early, man. Look at that, look at that. Some nice rims on that, baby. Yeah, we here, man. Look at this baby right here. This baby is beautiful. A beautiful road glide. 117. I love that color scheme on there, man. That is beautiful color scheme. Hey man, as you can see, we here, baby. We on the ground. And we at Crossroads, Harley Davidson. They out here, boy. And there's that famous iron cage of death, man. So let's walk around, see what we can see. See y'all again, huh? How's it going? What's up, man? All right, man, we're gonna walk into the Harley Davidson dealership. They say they have the largest inventory in Texas, man. But look right here, boy, this burgundy is my color, man. Look at this. Boy, this is beautiful. They are beautiful. And this gray is, I love this gray one. $117, baby. $117. They got the bikes, man.
All day from 10 to 4, we've got free beer inside. We've got the blessings of the bike going down in the back. Make sure you bless that bike, man. It's Houston roads. They're not nice. They're not nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, welcome to Globe of Death USA. What you are about to see are the professional riders in some of the best competitions in the world. Are you guys ready for some Globe of Death USA? Please welcome our first rider from Colombia, South America. Let's make some noise for Andres Puerta.
Man, that looks dangerous, huh? Man, I wouldn't do that for $1,000. Maybe I'll try it for
Now listen up. We are going to give one person the opportunity to enter into the middle of the ball while Andres spins around, just to make sure there's no trick.
Oh, tall guy. You going in there? He must be crazy. Huh? Think he'll hit me?
Yeah.
No, he know what he's doing. Whoa, look how he changed direction like that. So let me tell you, man, hey, were you scared in there, man? No. Man, that Hey, I'm glad you made it out safely, baby.
Are you ready for two motorcycles at the same time? Please welcome our second rider. Remember, this is only 14 feet. It's a tiny space for two motorcycles. Check this out!
Now they doing two bikes. All right, we over here about to get something to eat, man. Let's see.
Be extra son. Are you hungry yet? Look, it's down there at the bottom too.
Let's see.
Are you hungry yet?
Are you hungry yet? That's their slogan.
I told you that's it. That's all right, mama.
You don't mind being on YouTube, huh? You don't mind being on YouTube.
I have no problem at all.
So what's your name?
My name is Tracy White with the Link Bar.
The Link Bar, baby.
Yes.
And look, I'll show you again. They slogan say,
Are you hungry?
are you hungry yet? Right?
And we do links on the bun. You have 14 different toppings. You can give me a call at 832-800-2841 because we do cater. So just let us know and we'll be there.
Say that number again a little slower.
It's 832-800-2841. The Link Bar.
time to go home now, man. I've been up here since 10 o'clock this morning, and it's after 3 now. I really enjoyed it. My son said he enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the footage. So hey man, I'm gonna cut it off. It's about 88 degrees here in Houston, Texas. I think we got every season there is all in 1 week. But you know what? I'm not complaining. I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful day. My son and I are just gonna ride till I get tired. So anyway, man, hey, thanks for rocking with me. I'm your boy Clutch C. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope your day went as well as mine did.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.